Okay, guys, we got an 09 Honda Accord here, 4-cylinder, 2.4 VTEC engine. Okay, we got a broken transmission mount all the way in there, as you guys can see right there. It has a lot of vibration. So what we're doing is we're replacing this mount, and then there's a mount up here on the top. So you got to do them both together because you got to lift up the engine a bit. I'm sorry, the transmission. So you're gonna have to put a floor jack on the transmission. And we got this big wild cover down here that needs to come off. There's a lot of clips. So what I like to do is I just like to remove the clips so I can at least get my transmission jack from this side, at least on one side of the half of the engine. So this thing got 2 bolts here and 2 bolts in there, 1 or 2 bolts, whatever that is. That bracket going across, I think that's part of the transmission mount. And it needs to go up about 2-3 inches high. That means your axle is going to be on the way. So take off the bolt, push the axle a bit. We're gonna lift this baby up together, and we're gonna do the top and bottom together. Okay, so we got ourselves a new mount. There's the new mount. That's what it looked like. Let me go grab it. Let me just push this baby. So this is the lower transmission mount right here. So this is how this baby sits right here. So you do want to change this and that mount same time. So this is broken. The bracket broke. I got it coming from the dealer. This baby right here. So I jacked it up. I took off the 2 bolts on the bottom. They're probably sitting over there somewhere. So this is pretty much loose. And what I want to do is we still could jack up the transmission a little bit more. But I want to take off the 14 millimeters right there. So this baby comes right off. And make sure, one thing I want to tell you guys, if the bolts are different length, make sure you check them, okay? So these are the same length. So if you're doing it, you're in good hand. They're the same length, so make sure you don't hurt yourself. Look at this mount. Gone, okay? This is gone. So be careful with your hands. And the bolt in the bottom is kind of avoiding it from coming. You got to lift it up straight. What I want to do is I'm going to go get a needle nose so it can do the job for me. So it is a pretty long mount, so go easy on it. And be careful with your fingers. I'm going to push from the bottom to lift it up. I wish I had extra hands up here by another guy or a friend, but nobody's here to help me. All by myself. If I could do it by myself, you guys can do it. So I'm gonna get this baby out, and I'm just so worried about my hands because this is a lot of load, and a lot of times you will hurt yourself. But if this mount doesn't come out freely and easily, it is going to give you a hard time taking it off. So let's jack up a bit more. We got more than enough clearance here, okay? It is a lot of space here to get this baby out. And there you go. And there it is. This baby's out. So to put this one back in, it's going to be a little bit rough because, you know, you're not going to have the same amount of clearance. You might have to go from the back end. So what I want to do is I want to get this baby in somehow, some way. And I'm going to figure that part out. I'm going to have to figure that part out. Anyways, let me get this baby in. Then I'll tell you guys how I did it. Maybe from the back end. Or maybe the front end. Or maybe the side end. It's going to have to go in one direction. Okay, so I'm going to get this in. Then I will show you guys. So far, this is all I did. I got this baby in from right here. So I'm going to just drop it dead in there. I'm probably going to jack up the transmission a little bit. Tiny bit more. And this thing should just drop dead in there fairly and easily. Okay, so sooner or later you will see this guy in there, even this angle. Okay, remember the tip is flexible here, so the top end is flexible. Okay, let me go in from right here. So this will be the spot. So if you guys this might be the spot to get this baby in. So it's a crazy little mount. Crazy little mount. But it's gotta go in. There you go. Once it's in there, all you need to do is realign everything. You just need to sit back on its spot. And I will get this baby to sit in there. Even if I gotta, okay, that's the highest it's gonna go. So far it's looking good. There you go. More than enough clearance for me right there. And there it is. Okay, just don't hurt yourself. That's the only thing I could tell you guys. Do not hurt yourself. Like what I'm doing here is, it's not easy and it's not fun and it's not something that you want to do to hurt yourself. So I'm going to manage to get this guy. I'm going to use a pry bar, fork it out, and all I need to do is get the bolt in and put all the bolts in. Okay, so I used my pry bar just to lift it, straighten it up, and it's sitting right on the bolts. There you go. It's going to drop center, and once I think it's straight, I'm going to bring my floor jack down. So this bolt, let me feel it from the bottom. It's not sitting where it's supposed to sit. Only one bolt is sitting where it's supposed to sit. Okay, I think I got it. Yep, I got it. Now the transmission needs to come down. Okay, just to let you know, to get this mount aligned and get the bolts in, you have to use a little bit of force from the pry bar, and at the same time, turn the bolt and make sure you get one in first. The top one goes in easy, and the bottom one goes in. And now, all I need to do is tighten both of these. No impact, guys. Just tighten it by hand. Bada bing, bada boom. You're all done. And make sure you put the two bolts on the bottom, put the cover on, and it's all done. The top one, I still need to get the part from the dealer, but this can be finished out. You can lock up bottom and top bolt, because the top one, we can still yank it a bit and support it, because we're going to take out this whole bracket right here. Two bolts, and remember, I never took out the axle, even though I mentioned it, but right here is your two bolts. Some of these Hondas, they usually have a cover here, but this one doesn't. So if you got like a little plastic pieces there, just pop them open. That's it. Tighten this and you're all set to go. Bada bing, bada boom. Two bolts need to be smacked with the impact gun. Then shebang. 1, 2. Bada bing, bada boom. Our mount is in there. Honda Accord transmission mount replaced on this baby. Thank you for watching. We're gonna be doing that one very soon.